Let me introduce you to Candy Apple Sweetheart, my newest fabric collection that leans all the way into cozy fall vibes. Think rich chocolate browns, warm corals, juicy fuchsias, and the sweetest pops of orange, all kissed with a touch of soft blue. There aren't any apples in this collection despite the name, but it's packed with florals, nature-inspired details, and tons of fussy cutting opportunities. It gives the feeling of a crisp autumn afternoon at the county fair without being too literal. It's nostalgic, it's playful, and it's absolutely bursting with blenders, making it super versatile for all your quilting plans. I hope you love it as much as I do. Let's take a look at the individual fabrics and check out the quilt kits now.